Hello everyone, I hope you know what pointers are by now. In this video we're going to learn about pointers that hold other pointers. So I'll just comment this and we'll get back to our initial code. Now we know that P holds the memory address of A. Now I can create a variable that holds the memory address of P. Since P is already a pointer, this new variable would be a pointer that holds the memory address of another pointer. So I'll name this pointer to pointer. Now when I'm doing a var declaration of this variable, I should be careful about the type. This would be a pointer of type, firstly a pointer, then since it holds a asterisk int type of variable, the address, now the type of variable P is asterisk int, so the next part is should be asterisk int, the type of the variable it holds. This means it is a pointer, and this, after the asterisk we have the type of the variable it holds. Similarly, this, if I try to write in var, I'll say var P is of the type asterisk pointer and it holds an integer. The address holds an integer value, so it is of the type asterisk int is equal to ampersand. This is completely fine. Similarly, we did this here, and now this holds the memory address of P, so I'll say ampersand P. Now this is a pointer to pointer. This might get a bit confusing, but I'll just do the same thing in this. The value of P2P, the deref of P2P, and type of P2P, and memory address of P2P. We already know what we are going to get if we have understood about pointers, so this should not be anything new, just a small twist. So this, the value of P2B should be the address of P, because it stores the address of the pointer P. The second part, deref, I'll talk about it. It's same as we did with P. Now the type of P2P would be this, since it holds a address of the pointer which holds an integer, so it would be asterisk int, and the last part is the memory address of P2P. Now pointer to pointer is just any other variable, so it would have its own address. Now I'll just save this and run this code. I see that the value of P2P 6030 is the address of P 6030. I hope we have understood till here, because it holds the pointer to P. The deref of P2P is the address of A, because dereferencing a pointer means it jumps to the location. I'll again show you the diagram. Now this is our P2P variable, pointer to pointer. So this holds the memory address of P, that is 0005. Now when I dereference this, it jumps to this memory location 0005 and fetches the value. And what value do we get? We get the address of A. So dereferencing P2P would give me the address of A. So if I match this 120B0, I get the same address of A, which is value of P also. You know why. Now it is also possible to do a double dereferencing and get the value of A. So as long as it is a pointer, I can dereference it. So since this would also be a pointer, when I dereference it for the first time, I can do a double dereference, double deref of P, and put another asterisk, so that it jumps to the memory location first and then whatever output we get, it jumps again if it is a memory location, which in our case it is. So when I do a double dereference, now we'll get the value of a. Just run this code, and double deref of p2p is 10, the value of a. So how it works is, I put a double dereference here. Now it sees it has the value, some address. So one asterisk will go and it will jump to this address, fetch the value. Now this value, we have a single asterisk left, so it will be before this value. You can imagine there is an asterisk over here, so it will jump again to this memory location and fetch the value. Now we can simply put the output as we have done, jumping through our addresses, and there are no more asterisks. So this value will be fetched and you see it inside in the output. I hope you have understood this. Now why do we use pointers? What is the use of doing all this? We'll understand this when we talk more about functions in our next video. Thank you for watching.